that video, I cannot even show you why. But she made it home.
I'm home.
How does it feel?
It feels good.
So,
So
did you expect to have that? Okay, I suppose we should do it in Creole, right?
we don't have to.
Okay.
Yeah.
The malwell, yes. So, okay, so how about you just stand or sit somewhere and then we can interview you?
Why are we interviewing me? You wanna go by the
No. I'm not. I don't want to go by there. So, let's sit there.
No, I'll stand.
So, what were you expecting? What were you feeling like? Qui j'en t'ai senti? Quelle langue j'ai fait?
I'll do it in English.
Okay.
I wasn't expecting anything. Honestly, I was going on the flight. I was hoping the captain would let me fly the leg. I came on and I asked, and he said, sure, why not? And then I asked him if it was okay if I made an announcement. And I just thought the people in the plane would see it, and that would be it. But
It exploded, Tarah.
before I even landed, I know. One of my flight attendants videotaped me from the galley, and she posted it on her Twitter, I think. And before I landed, so my phone was off, so I didn't know anything was going on. So before I landed, it exploded. And then, everybody was congratulating me and then wanting to take pictures and stuff like that. So it was nice. It was nice to be received that way.
Yeah.
And it was good to go home. It was
Yeah.
my first time. It was something, even when I was applying for the job, when I did my interview, I told them that was the goal, is
Okay.
to...
That doesn't mean you're quitting now, right?
No, because I want to go back as captain, and I'd like to go back with my family on the flight.
Woo! And I'm so happy that you whipped out that flag. I know you said that you've had that flag in your bag.
Yeah, I keep the flag in my bag because I'm working on standby, and I never know when they're going to tell me to go. And then today they did. So.
Yeah. So there we are. Tarah was able to fly our Haitian color on Haitian soil for a plane that she flew home.
Yes.
We're also proud of her. I can't be part of that video, but we're very, very proud of you. We love you.
Thank you.